Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last video, I showed you how to create and configure the settings to create your custom GPT. In this video, I want to show you how to create it and get started with it. As you saw, it's really very simple. And what I'm going to do now is basically just say, click on the create button over here. This is our data science helper, which is ready to assist us in grading those assignments and give personalized feedback on that. So let's give it a try and let's see how this works. So I'm going to click on the create button over here. And for now, I'm just going to say only me. So these are the settings which basically tell you how do you want to publish your GPT. So for now, I'm just going to say only me. And later, if you wanted, you could have changed these settings quite easily. So I'm going to say share over here. Here we are, and it says view GPT, and we are ready to view and start working with this GPT. So this is our data science helper, and basically it's asking us what is it that we want to do. And what I'm going to do over here is that I have chosen one of the prompts which says that can this answer be improved. And so let's work with this. I'm going to upload one of these sample assignments on data science, and let's see what this GPT can help us do for that. So I'm going to say create this assignment using the file rubrics.csv. I'm just going to start with that, and we'll have to see how the performance is and we can improve it. Let's see how this data science helper creates this assignment that I have uploaded and whether it has any questions. So it's really analyzing this as of now. And these are the criterias in my rubrics. So basically my rubrics had level 1, 2, 3, and 4. And it's graded that assignment on based on the criteria in my rubric. And as you can see, it's still continuing with its assessment. And it's pretty detailed. And it's also coming up with the final level or the quality of the assignment, and it's basically giving us an overall evaluation. It's saying finally that this was a high quality analysis. So overall the feedback is that this is a high quality analysis. Of course I can work with this, and if you wanted any more specific details you could go and update the rubrics with that. As you can see, my rubrics was basically just a feedback of high quality analysis for level 4, suitable analysis level 3, analysis needs improvement was level 2, and analysis does not meet expectation was level 1. So this data science helper has been able to perform the main task that I wanted it to perform. Now from here, of course, there are many things which we could do. I could really go into this data science helper, and if I wanted to update this, I could have done it here. So I'm going to go in this here, and on the main page where I go to the data science helper. So on this main page where this GPT is published, you can see if you drop down on this menu here, it says edit GPT, and this is where you can really make edits to whatever configurations you had done before. The one more capability that I want to talk about before I end this video is about create new actions, and I'm not going to go into this video that I'm making here, but basically this is a functionality which lets you connect your custom GPT to external APIs by giving certain parameters